Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. I did also want to give a quick update on Strong. You did have I just wanted to go into the TA really fast, just to kind of give you guys an idea of what's going on right now. You did have a really nice bounce off this 120 area to the upside. Um, but it seems like right now it's playing out similar to these areas right here, right? You have a drop, then you have the nice bounce. I think that this can potentially still just be a retest. Um, because you hit the support here around 120-ish, almost down to 100, and you hit lows of 106, right? Um, my target since I think, I don't know, since like 200s was like $88, right? 120 was always an obvious support, but I kept thinking that we were going to go down to $88, which is still possible, I think. I really hope that we don't go down this low and we completely recover from here. Because we're on this big trend support, I do think that there's really only two things, right, that can happen. I really doubt that Strong or crypto trade sideways because of today's CPI report. I think that, obviously we're either going to go, if it's good or bad, whatever, it doesn't, I haven't really looked into it, but, really good or bad, we either drop down to $88 or we completely recover, right? And even on the weekly, we're almost there at closing. Let me move these settings really quick. We're almost there at closing a weekly bullish, right? A bullish week on the RMACD as well as perfect entries on the stochastic. So I do think as of right now, it's an extremely good place to end up getting, Strong. I actually bought another node at around $111. So I bought another node for around $1,000, 1,100. And I mean, as of right now, for that node specifically, yes, I'm a little bit in profit, but again, I'm still down from the original nodes since all I've been doing really is compounding. I haven't been taking any profit. So I really hope that it recovers. I think that right now, the possibility of this being just a retest is extremely high. So if we do run to the upside, I'd be extremely happy. If we do break this, I do think we'll go past 203 and run straight to 244, right? I really don't think that we'll stop. We'll have too much resistance at $203, and I think we'll go straight to 244. And I do think if we break this, we have a really solid chance of closing a bullish week sometime this week or next week. Which I think can push us closer to the $400 range. But if we do not break this, CPI comes in really bad and it's not really good news for crypto, then I do see Strong dropping all the way down to $88, as well as the dollar rising all over again and Bitcoin dropping all over again. But as of right now, Strong is I would say it's at a stable range. I'd say expect Strong to be anywhere between $88 and like $150, somewhere around this range. Would not be surprised if you just kind of stay here until the CPI gets released later today. And then from then on, you can actually start seeing the moves to either the upside or the downside. But keep in mind, you are perfectly retesting this trend right here on Strong. And, either we break this to the upside. And if we do break this to the upside, my target would go, if we do break this to the upside, shout out to Seducer. We do break this trend. My target would be somewhere along the lines of $400. If we do not break this trend, CPI comes out bad, my target would be, again, still around $88. So I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.